Hello, today I will speak about normal distribution and I will show three examples. I begin with the first example. We have the following values: 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Find the interval that contains about 68% of the values. Solution. Step 1, we calculate the mean. With the mean, we calculate it by add all the value, the five value divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we have 5 value. So the mean equal 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 90 plus 100 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. 60 plus 70 equal 130. 130 plus 80 equal 200. 210 plus 90 equal 300. 300 plus 100 equal 400. So 400 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 equal 8, and I have remain 0, so it will be equal 80. So the mean equal 80, mu equal 80. Now step 2, I will calculate the standard deviation. Or standard deviation, we take it will be x minus mu. And x, the first, I will begin with 60, so 60 minus 80 equal minus 20, 70, so 70 minus 80 equal minus 10. 80 minus 80, this value, so 80 minus 80 equals 0, and then 90 and 90 minus 80 equal 10, and the last 100 minus 80 equal 20. Yeah, now I will square all the differences here, and it will be here a difference. Differences here, and now I will square them. Minus 20 minus 20 squared equal minus 20 times minus 20 equal 400. Minus 10 squared minus 10 times minus 10 equal 100. 0 squared equals 0. 0 by 0 equals 0. 10 squared 10 times 10 equal 100, and then 20 squared 20 times 20 equal 400. I will plus all the squares now. 400 plus 100, maybe I plus them like this. Another. We get mu equal 80, and the values 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And now I will add all the values which I squared, the differences. 400 plus 100 plus 0 plus 100 plus 400 divided by 5. and 400 plus 100 equal 500. 500 plus 500 equal 1000. 1000 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 equal 2 and 200. Standard deviation sigma equal root or the root square of 200. The root square of 200 equal 14.14, and the third step interval, step 3, interval 68 percentage, and mu plus minus sigma equal mu 80, the mean 80 plus minus is 14.14. And I will take the plus sign first. 80 plus 14.14 equal 94.14, and 80 minus 14.14 equals 65.86, and the lowest value equals 65.86. The highest value equal 94.14, and the most values lie between these two values, except 100. 100 are more than 94. So the interpretation about 68% of the values lie in this interval. Example 2. We have the following values: 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 50. Find the interval that contains about 95% of the values. The first step, I will calculate the mean. With the mean, I will add all the values divided by how many values I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mu, the mean, 80 plus 75 plus 70 plus 65 plus 60 plus 50 divided by 6, and when I add the values divided by 6, I get approximately 66.7. Then the mean are 66.7. Then I will calculate step 2, the standard deviation. Step 2, standard deviation, and x minus me. When x equal 50, So 50 minus 80 minus 66.7 float, therefore at the mean are 66.7. 66.7 equal minus 16.7. And when x equals 60, so 60 minus 66.7 equal minus 6.7. And then when the value are 65, it will be 65 minus 66.7 equal minus 1.7. Then when the value is 70, 70 minus 66.7 equal 3.3. I will continue here. X and x minus mu minus mu, and I have 75 now, and 75 minus 66.7 equal 8.3, and the last value 80, and 80 minus 66.7 equal 13.3. Then all these differences I will square them, and it will be like 13.3 squared equal 176.89, and 8.3 squared equal 68.89. 3.3 squared equal 10.09, and minus 1.7 squared equal 2.89, and minus 6.7 squared equal 44.89, and the last value minus 16.7 squared equal 278.89. And now I will plus all these values after I squared them. So I will plus all this value, and I will get, maybe I will add all the values now, the 6 values, 176.89 plus 68.89 plus 10.09 plus 2.89 plus 44.89 plus 278.89 8.89 divided by 6 because I have 6 value, and I will get, after I add all the values, divided them by 6, I will get 97.09. And to calculate the standard deviation, I will take the root square of 9709. .09 root square, and it will be equal 9.8534, approximately 10. Step 3. Interval 95% and mu plus minus 2 sigma, because I have interval 95%, and it will be 66.7 plus minus 2 times 10, and 66.7 plus 20 equal 86.7, and 66.7 minus 20 equal 46.7. And the lowest value 46.7, the highest value are 86.7. Interpretation: about 95% of the values lie within this interval, and the values it was 80, 75, 70, 80 lie between this, 75 also, 70 as well, 65, 60, 50 and 50. So all the values lie between these two values. The third example, the last example, and the third example, we have the following values: 10, 9, 13, 15, 20. Find the 68% interval. I will calculate the mean by adding all the values. I have 5 values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 15 plus 20 divided by 5. And when I add 20 plus t plus t, 30 plus 12 equal 42, 42 plus 28, because 13 plus 15, 28, equals 70. 70 divided by 5 equal how many 5? How many 5 in 7? 1, and I remain 2. 20 divided by 5 equal 14. So the mu, or the mean, equal 14. Now I will calculate the standard deviation, and I will begin with 10. 10 minus 14 equal minus 4. 12 minus 14 equal -2. 13 minus 14 equal -1. And 15 minus 14 equal 1. And the last 20 minus 14 equals 6. So this is the differences. Then I will square all the differences squares. It will be -4 squared equal -4 times -4 equal 16. Then I have -2 squared. -2 times -2 equal 4. Then -1 squared. -1 times -1 equal 1. 1 square equal 1, and 6 square equal 36. Then I will add all the values. 16 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 36 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal 20. 20 plus 36 equal 56, 57, 58. 58 divided by 5 equal 11.6. Then standard deviation, I will take the root square of 11.6 equal approximately 3.4. Now I calculate the mean equal 14 and standard deviation 3.4. So the third step, it will be the values were 10, 12, 13, 15, and 20. The mean equal 14. The mean equal 14. Mean equal 14, and sigma equal 3. Approximately 3.4, and the interval we will the interval of 68%, and mu plus minus sigma equal 14 plus minus 3.4, and 14 plus 3.4 equals 17.4, and 14 minus 3.4 equal 10.6, and the lowest value equal 10.6, and the highest value 17.4. And most of the values lie in this interval, except 20. So the interpretation, most values lie inside the interval, but 20 is outside possible outlier. I hope it was a good lesson for today. We can see a new lesson. Goodbye.